Are you considering navigating the intricate maze of U.S. immigration on your own? Wondering if hiring an immigration lawyer is worth it in 2024? Well, let's talk about it. So welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel, where you get direct access to our most up-to-date immigration and global mobility space. I'm an immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience, and today we're going to talk about why you should hire an immigration lawyer in 2024. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we work with clients in all 50 states and around the world. Before we start, click on the like and subscribe button to follow our Immigration Hub to get the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case. And also, be sure to stick around until the end to get bonus tips on the benefits of hiring an immigration lawyer and which visa is most appropriate for you. Now, anyone who has gone through the immigration process understands how complex it can be. It is a legal process not many wish to undertake without help. The process involves a lot of paperwork that even U.S.-born citizens struggle with when left alone. Whether your goal is to become a citizen of the United States, receive a temporary work visa, or obtain a visa for your fiancé, an experienced immigration lawyer will be an integral part of navigating the process successfully. That is because the role of your immigration lawyer is to develop a strategy that will help you achieve your objective in the most efficient and cost-effective way. Here at Direct U.S. Immigration, we have been helping our clients with their immigration needs, and we want to do the same for you. And along the way, we have identified top reasons to hire an immigration lawyer and the benefits you will receive in case you are on the fence about it. Now, reason number one, an experienced immigration attorney will explain all of your options. So you may be eligible for more than one type of immigration benefit, including some lesser-known benefits. An attorney can help explain the pros and cons of each benefit, including comparisons in cost and time frame, and they can help you decide which path is best for you. Having a holistic approach with somebody who eats, sleeps, and breathes this information is very important. Number two is that an experienced immigration attorney has knowledge that will benefit you. This includes knowledge about practices at specific agency offices, such as the local USCIS field office handling your case. An experienced attorney is also up to date about recent changes in immigration laws and regulations, as well as changes in USCIS form additions, filing fees, and other information that could prevent your case from being rejected or denied. Three is that an experienced immigration attorney will help you avoid costly mistakes. So, for example, it is common for people to apply for immigration benefits for which they are not eligible for, or an eligible person to answer questions incorrectly or fail to submit the required evidence. These errors in applications can lead to delays, denials, and in some cases, removal or deportation from the United States. Mistakes can also be costly financially. Now, you might save money in legal fees by applying for an immigration benefit without an immigration attorney, but if you make a mistake, you will pay more later on for an attorney to try and salvage your case. Or even more government fees if you have to file a completely new case, as previously paid government fees do not roll over to your new case. Now, the smarter choice is to hire an experienced immigration attorney at the outset so he or she can review your situation and advise you on your options. Now, fourth is that an experienced immigration attorney will advocate for you. So, unfortunately, it is not uncommon for USCIS and other government agencies to issue incorrect decisions, either legally, factually, or both. So, an experienced immigration attorney will know when the government is wrong and will fight for you. Without an experienced attorney on your side, you might never know that your case was incorrectly denied. Additionally, an attorney can advocate for you throughout your immigration process, such as during USCIS interviews and immigration court hearings. Fifth is that an experienced immigration attorney will give you peace of mind. So navigating the complexities of immigration law alone can be confusing and stressful. An experienced attorney will take the reins and give you specific guidance on what information and evidence he or she needs, allowing you to sit back and relax. Knowing that your case is in good hands will substantially lessen the stress of the immigration process. Now, once upon a time, an individual embarked on the complex journey of U.S. immigration without legal representation. They diligently filled out the required forms and filed their case independently. However, a small mistake on their application led to a misunderstanding, resulting in a fraud and misrepresentation determination by USCIS. This determination resulted in a permanent bar from entry into the U.S. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, they reached out to our firm for professional help. Our experienced team immediately set to work, reviewing their case meticulously, finding the issue, and devising a strategic plan of action. The process was arduous, taking countless hours of research and argument formulation, and several years of persistent effort with immigration. But in the end, our determination paid off. We succeeded in getting the fraud and misrepresentation finding removed from the record, thereby eliminating the permanent bar from U.S. entry. The individual might not have realized the magnitude of this issue or how to effectively address it without our expert intervention, underscoring the importance of legal guidance in navigating the intricate world of immigration law. Getting a determination of fraud or misrepresentation removed from your record may not happen in every instance, but you are better prepared with an immigration attorney by your side who knows the law and what loopholes you may be eligible for. So as promised, here's some bonus information that you may not know about. Now at this point, I'm sure that you see that there are many benefits to hiring an immigration lawyer. There is extensive paperwork involved in going through an immigration process, and many can struggle with completing it or knowing which forms must be filed in conjunction with others. No matter whether you are a native English speaker or not, understanding legal terms can be complicated and in some instances can be a foreign language. An immigration lawyer like myself can explain everything to you and answer all the questions you might have. If you are unsure whether certain information or evidence is needed, a qualified immigration attorney can assist you. No matter how difficult your case might seem, an immigration lawyer knows how to achieve the desired outcome. We are familiar with the procedural maneuvers and opportunities that can enhance your application, but that can also be easily overlooked by someone who lacks experience in the field. An immigration lawyer like myself will suggest several options on how to proceed with your case. We will outline the possible consequences of each option and advise to which one has the highest chance of success. Now, last but not least, be sure to check out the caption below this video. We've got questionnaires for different types of visas so that we can help you determine which visa is most appropriate for you. And also, if you're traveling soon, we also have a list of some of my travel favorites. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe if this content or information helps you in any way. Comment below if you want me to talk about something in specific, and share this resource widely because you never know who needs answers to these questions. Additionally, if you have any specific questions about this video as they pertain to your unique circumstances, please schedule a consultation with us, also at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.